One major bank just called 2026 the Year of Ethereum. Listen up, folks, because the crypto world is buzzing, and for good reason. Standard Chartered, a seriously big player in the banking game, just dropped a bombshell. They're predicting that Ethereum is not only going to have its breakout year in 2026, but it's also set to absolutely outperform Bitcoin. You heard that right. This ain't just some random prediction. It's coming from a heavyweight institution. That kind of endorsement, it's a big deal, and it gets better. All the official data out there is screaming one thing: Ethereum is ready to enter a full-blown bull market. Now, for those new to the game, a bull market simply means that prices are generally climbing. Folks are feeling good about their investments, there's a lot of optimism, and buying activity is picking up steam. It's when you see those green charts and everyone's talking about gains. This is not financial advice. But when you combine a major bank's bullish outlook with solid data showing market readiness, you got to pay attention. But wait, there's more. The Ethereum network just hit a massive milestone. It achieved a record daily transaction volume. What does that mean for you? Well, transaction volume is just how many times people are actually using the network, sending money, making deals, using decentralized apps, you name it. A record high volume tells us that Ethereum isn't just hype, it's being used like crazy. It shows real world demand and adoption, proving the network is robust and essential. This ain't no small feat, demonstrating the strength and utility of the platform. So, between a major bank giving it the nod, official data pointing to a bull run, and the network itself seeing unprecedented usage, Ethereum is definitely the talk of the town. It's an exciting time to be watching this space. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.